Traditionally, members of a banda wear straw hats decorated with flowers, ribbons, and beads. To play verdiales, musicians strum the guitar strings with emphasis, almost without pause. The verdiales songs are happy, and the dance involves a lot of leaping. Horse riders roam the streets from morning until 5 p.m. Many horses are decorated with bunting, colorful strips of cloth. Everyone gets into the spirit of the fair with traditional costumes. Horse-drawn carriages are not only seen during the Feria, but throughout the year as they take visitors around the old city. Flamenco, a passionate music form typical of Andalusia, combines guitar playing, singing, dancing, and hand clapping. In flamenco hand clapping, the left arm is held still and the right hand slaps the left crosswise, producing a sharp, rhythmic sound. Flamenco dancers tap their toes and heels in intricate steps. The female dancers make graceful hand movements and move their arms in serpentine fashion. The main ingredients of paella are rice, seafood, olive oil, saffron, and tomatoes. The ingredients are slowly cooked together in a large, round, flat pan with two handles. Paella is usually served in the same pan in which it was cooked. A worker is placing flowers on a decorative entry arch of the Feria. A group of women stand near the fair entrance, laughing at the unusual August rain shower. The Feria begins at night with the spectacle of fireworks. The fireworks can be seen from City Hall or the port.